In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create quotes in HubSpot step by step. Whether you're in sales, running a small business, or managing deals for a larger team, creating professional quotes inside HubSpot helps you streamline your sales process and close deals faster. I'll walk you through everything from creating a deal to generating your quote using a template. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical HubSpot tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the Home area of HubSpot. From the main navigation, look for the Quotes section. Click on Quotes to open the Quotes dashboard, where you can manage existing quotes or create a new one. Now, to create a new quote, click on Create Quote. HubSpot will prompt you to associate the quote with a deal. If you don't already have a deal created for this customer, click on Create a New Deal. This is important because quotes in HubSpot are tied directly to deals in your sales pipeline. Next, you'll need to enter your deal details. Start by typing in the deal name. Make it clear and descriptive so you can easily identify it later. For example, you might use the company name and the service you're providing. After that, select the deal stage from the drop-down menu. Choose the appropriate stage based on where this opportunity sits in your pipeline. Then enter the deal amount. This should reflect the total value you're quoting to the customer. Now choose the close date. This is typically the expected date when you anticipate the deal will be finalized. Setting an accurate close date helps keep your pipeline forecasting clean and organized. Next, select the deal owner. This is usually the sales rep responsible for managing the opportunity. Make sure the correct owner is assigned so reporting and notifications work properly. You'll also need to choose the deal type and priority. Deal type might include options like new business or existing business, depending on how your pipeline is set up. Priority helps your team understand how urgent or important this opportunity is. Once you've filled in all the required fields, click on Create. HubSpot will now generate the deal and move you to the quote creation process. From here, you'll be prompted to select a quote template. Click on the starter quote template or whichever template your team prefers to use. Templates control the layout and design of your quote, including branding, formatting, and overall structure. After selecting the template, click on Create Quote. You'll then be able to review and customize the quote details, including line items, pricing, discounts, and any additional terms. Make sure everything is accurate before finalizing. Once completed, you can send the quote directly to your customer for review and signature. And that's it. That's how you create quotes in HubSpot from start to finish, including creating a new deal and using a quote template. This process ensures your sales workflow stays organized and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot training and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.